Did you know that the hair on your head is way more fascinating than you think? It's not just there to look good. It's a biological marvel with some seriously cool secrets. Stick around as we uncover 10 amazing facts about human hair that will totally blow your mind. Let's start with a big one. On average, you have about 100,000 to 150,000 hair follicles on your scalp. But here's the fun part. Your hair color actually plays a role. Natural blondes tend to have the most hair strands, while redheads usually have the least. So next time someone makes a dumb blonde joke, you can tell them you're just busy managing a denser than average head of hair. Ever wondered how fast your hair grows? It sprouts at a rate of about half an inch per month, which adds up to 6 inches a year. Think about it, that's a collective 75 miles of hair growing on your head every single year if you line up all the strands. And fun fact, hair grows slightly faster in warmer weather because heat stimulates circulation and encourages hair growth. So your summer hair isn't just sun-kissed, it's literally growing faster. Now for a bit of chemistry. Hair is surprisingly strong. A single strand can support about 3.5 ounces of weight. So, a full head of hair could theoretically support the weight of 2 elephants. I wouldn't recommend testing that, of course, but it's a testament to the power of keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. This protein structure is what gives hair its incredible tensile strength. Here is a fact that might make you feel a little less worried about the hairs in your brush. It's completely normal to lose between 50 and 100 strands of hair every single day. Your hair goes through a cycle of growing, resting, and shedding. So, unless you're noticing significant thinning or bald patches, a few stray hairs are just part of the natural process of renewal. What is hair made of, anyway? About 95% of your hair is a protein called keratin, the same stuff that makes up your fingernails and the outer layer of your skin. The remaining 5% is a combination of water, lipids, pigments, and trace elements. So when you see those keratin-infused shampoos, they're aiming to reinforce the very building blocks of your hair. Here's a mind-bender. You're born with all the hair follicles you will ever have. You don't grow new ones as you get older. This means the number of potential hairs on your head is set from birth. So, taking good care of the follicles you just got is super important for maintaining healthy hair throughout your life. Have you ever noticed your hair stands on end when you're cold or scared? That's thanks to a tiny muscle at the base of each hair follicle called the erector pili. When it contracts, it pulls the hair upright, creating what we call goosebumps. It has an ancient reflex that would have made our furry ancestors look bigger and more intimidating to predators. Let's talk about the science of color. The color of your hair is determined by 2 types of melanin pigment, eumelanin, which creates black and brown shades, and pheomelanin, which is responsible for red and yellow tones. The unique mix and concentration of these pigments create your specific hair color. And as you age, the pigment cells produce less melanin, leading to gray or white hair. Your hair also acts as a fantastic historical record. Because it grows from within your body, it incorporates trace elements and substances from your bloodstream. Scientists can analyze a single strand of hair to find out what you've eaten, what environment you've lived in, and even certain substances you may have consumed over the past several months. It's like a personal timeline growing right out of your scalp. And for our final fact, hair is incredibly elastic. When wet, a healthy strand of hair can stretch up to 30% of its original length without breaking. This elasticity is a key sign of healthy, well-hydrated hair. If your hair snaps easily, it might be a sign that it needs a little more moisture and TLC. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts that prove your hair is more than just a style choice. It's a strong, dynamic, and fascinating part of who you are. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more amazing content, and share this video with a friend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.